everyone, hope all of you are doing safe in this period of lockdown. And in my previous video, I spoke about the fact that you should invest at least 10% of your income. So, someone asked me, Benita, do you think it's the right time to invest considering that the markets are very volatile, they have fallen down, and it might collapse any time? Most of you must be having this question as to whether you should actually invest at all or not. The fact that the IMF also predicts that the global growth rate would fall to a negative of 3%. In fact, this great lockdown is actually worse than the global financial crisis which took place in 2008. But let me update you with one more news, which is about the crude oil war that's taking place between Russia and Saudi Arabia. It's like a blessing in disguise for India because India normally imports oil. So the fact that there's a lot of production of oil that's happening in the world, the prices of oil have gone down. And for India, it's actually cheaper to purchase oil right now. Now, the reason why I'm giving you this information is that this crude oil news is like a trade off with the news about the recession, the great lockdown that's taking place. There would be good news and bad news. There would be ups and downs in the market, which would indirectly affect the market. But that doesn't mean that you should stop investing altogether. In 2007, the US subprime mortgage market collapsed. It sent shock waves throughout the market, and the effect was felt throughout the global economy. Not only this, investors actually had a loss in their portfolio as about 30%. This affected the economy, the global economy as a whole. Many people started selling their stocks. The sales hit rock bottom prices. They saw this as a selling opportunity. But then there were some investors who actually did stay put and did stay invested. Not only investors like Warren Buffett, but hedge fund manager John Paulson also gained during his crisis. In fact, his firm Paulson and Company actually made about $15 billion during this crisis. Now, why am I giving you so much of information about the history? The reason that the markets will fall or rise or be volatile may definitely give you second thoughts. But if your long-term goals haven't changed, then your investments should not change as well because your goals are fixed. And so your investments should not be affected, or your plan of investment should not change. There would be ups and downs. Now and then you'll be getting news about the rise and fall of the markets, but you should keep investing and stay invested because that's how you will make money work for you. So with this, if you think that this video was really helpful for you, do like it, share it, subscribe to my channel called Uncle Rupee. And I do have a Facebook and Instagram page. You can go and like that as well. And see you also. Thank you so much.